Tonight arise and shine. Glory has come. I arise and shine. Glory is here. I arise and shine. Glory has come. Glory, fire, power. Glory, fire, power. They will not prevail. They will not prevail. They will not prevail. They will not prevail. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. 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 Haman's wife told him. Haman's wife told him. If it is because of this Jew, if it is because of this Jew, you will follow. You will follow. If it is because of this Jew, if it's because of Mordecai, let me advise you. Let me counsel you. This is not business as usual. If it is because of this Jew, I don't know who I am praying for. If it is because of you, they have raised their wickedness. If it is because of you, for your sake, for your sake, for your sake, they will lose the battle. They will lose the battle right now, right now, right now, right now, right now, right now. Today I announce the Lord has need of me. The Lord has need of my testimony. The Lord has need of my capacity. Let me hear you shout fire. Shout fire. Shout fire. Shout fire. Say today any power that will arise against what the Lord is doing in my life shall break the chain. Break the chain. Break the chain. Say today any chain, any power that says I will not cross where I am. You lie. You lie. You lie. Powers that have vowed I will be on the same level. Rotate on the same level. You lie. You lie. You lie. You lie. Fire. 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 You will raise your head again. You will raise your head again. You will raise your head again. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. As your two hands are lifted, fire of revival. Fire that activates the gift of prophecy, the gift of word of knowledge, the gift of healing, the gift of the working of the miracles. Fire that breaks. Let it be poured out. Let it be poured out. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. 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 In the hospital, in your house, in your car, turn the Holy Ghost. Turn the take over. Holy Ghost, take over. Holy Ghost, take over. Holy Ghost, take over. Holy Ghost, take over. Take over. Take over. Take over. Take over. Take over. Holy Ghost, take over. Holy Ghost, take over. Holy Ghost, take over. Holy Ghost, Spirit of power, Spirit of truth, Spirit of wisdom, Spirit of grace, Spirit of knowledge, Spirit of understanding, Spirit of the fear of the Lord. Spirit of God, take over. Spirit of might, take over. Holy Ghost, Holy Ghost, Holy Ghost, Holy Ghost, Holy Ghost, take over, take over, take over, take over, take over. Hand of the Lord, hand of the Lord, hand of power, hand of favor, hand of grace, hand of divine outpouring, hand of the Lord, Rikukutuka, hand of the Lord, hand of creative miracles, hand of the rising Kika, Rekotoba, hand of the Lord, Rikupakata, Zekanakata, hand of the Lord, Riakopad, Zikuruala, Rekuruasha, Ziata, Zekupa, Niataka, Nikira, hand of refreshing, Laketopa, hand of impartation, hand of the Lord, Rikokoda, Zekiako, Zikuruapa, Likaya, Ataka, Potwake, Zabiliakado, Jolokora, Rekoraba, Lakenabia, Rekorabasuka, Lakenabia, Rekorabasha, the sound of your amen. Let it be poured out. 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 Right now. Right now. Right now. With your two hands lifted, he said, the water I shall give you shall be in you and well. Shall be in you and well. And well. And well. Something has just been poured out. Something has been released. Something has been released. Something has been released. It will be in you. And well, and well, and well, and well, and well. Something has been poured out. It will be in you. And well, something has been released. It is not a sprinkle. It is not a sprinkle. For out of your belly it shall be in you. And well, and well, and well, and well, and well, and well. Holy Ghost, Isakata, Reketo, Rekeda, Labia, Popopopo, Rekeda, it shall be in you. And well, and well, and well, and well, and well. Rikotopoto, Lakatoba, let the well of power, let the well of wisdom, let the well of the Holy Ghost, let the well of the supernatural, let the well, let the well, let the well, let the well, let the well. Let it burst out. Let it burst out. Right now. Every voice from the pit of hell. Let them the altar. We announce Holy Ghost altar. Holy Ghost altar. Upon this altar. 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 Holy Ghost upon this air. T-A-R. Upon this air. T-A-R. We ask you to air, T-E-R, upon this air, T-E-R, we ask you to air, T-E-R, upon this air, T-E-R, we ask you to air, T-E-R, Lakatapa. I announce by the word of glory upon your life, let there be a fire. Let there be a fire. Let there be a fire. I announce over your life by the weight of glory upon your life. Take your thrones and cry. You have been glorified. You have been glorified. You have been glorified. A new season has opened. Addictions have fallen off. Your heart has been renewed. Your spirit has been transformed. Your life has been reformed. Right now. Right now. The heavens are open. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Whatever you touch will feel the impact of the glory. Whatever you touch will feel the impact of the glory. I announce glory. Fire. Power. Glory, fire, power, glory, fire, power,